Approval requests sit in a queue because permissions are unclear, and invoices wait because accounting and document systems do not sync. Tickets bounce between staff and vendors while leaders try to forecast spend. As Brad Shafran, president at Connectability, says, pricing should make accountability clearer, not make leaders decode what happens when work stops. That is why managed IT services pricing matters. While services typically cost $100 to $300 per user per month, with many businesses paying $150 to $225 depending on scope, the monthly number alone does not tell the full story. 3 proposals can look similar until you map them to real workdays to see who supports laptops, who fixes folder permissions, and which costs sit outside the agreement. The old call when something breaks approach stops fitting as teams add staff, remote employees, or new locations. The key is to compare rates against real events, like a laptop failing before a deadline, or a cloud vendor redirecting support back to internal staff. Clear pricing should define ticket response, backup ownership, vendor coordination, and project exclusions before work gets delayed. Read the full article for a clearer way to evaluate managed IT pricing and add this to your Spotify playlist.